So students, in class 11 chemistry first unit, today we will study about the atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atoms are so small that their mass or weight cannot be calculated in grams or kilograms, or it is very difficult to calculate, although this is determined in terms of 10 to the power minus 20, 30, etc. But their mass is expressed in terms of AMU, atomic mass unit. Now, what is AMU, atomic mass unit? So, 1/12 part. For this calculation of AMU, the atom carbon is taken, because carbon is available in maximum part of the earth and solid also. Therefore, carbon is taken as a suitable element to determine the atomic mass of other element, to compare the atomic mass of other element. So, carbon exists in three isotopes, C12, C13, C14. Out of these three isotopes, this is the most existing isotope, most common isotope, C12. So, 1/12 part of mass of one atom of C12 is called 1 AMU. 1/12 part of mass of one atom of C12 is called 1 AMU. Here, this 12 and this 12 is not similar. This 12 express 12th part, whereas this 12 denotes isotope C12. So, its 1/12 mass is taken as 1 AMU, और कोई भी अदर एटम इस कार्बन 12 के 1/12 पार्ट का जितना टाइम्स हैवियर होता है, उसका एटॉमिक मास उतना ही AMU होता है. So 1 AMU is equal to mass of one atom of C12 upon 12. This is called AMU. For example, hydrogen atom is found to be 1.008 times heavier of this mass. That's why atomic mass of hydrogen is taken as 1.008 AMU. So this is atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Now these days, this AMU is also replaced by U. U means AMU, unified mass. Now we will study about average atomic mass. Why this term average atomic mass is used? Actually, this is used for the elements which exist in the form of isotopes. If an element exists in many isotopes, then the average of atomic mass of all those isotopes is taken as average atomic mass. How average atomic mass is calculated? How average atomic mass is calculated? This can be understood by taking the example of carbon. So the question is three isotopes of carbon, C12, C13, C14 are there. and their atomic mass in AMU and their percentage of occurrence. C12 is 12 AMU. Its percentage is 98.892. C13, its atomic mass is found to be 13.00335 AMU, whereas its percentage of occurrence is 1.108. C14, its atomic mass is 14.00317 AMU and its percentage of occurrence is 2 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now, to calculate the average atomic mass, their percentage is divided by 100, then multiplied by their atomic mass, and all these findings are added to get average atomic mass, or average atomic mass equal to atomic mass into percentage upon 100 of C12 plus atomic mass into percentage upon 100 of C13 plus atomic mass into percentage upon 100 of C14. So average atomic mass can be calculated as atomic mass of C12 is 12 into its percentage 98.892 divided by 100 will be equal to 0.98892 plus atomic mass of C13 is 13.00335 into its percentage 1.108 upon 100 means 0.01108 plus atomic mass of C14, that is 14.00317 into its percentage 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 upon 100 equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 12. So when you will add these figures, you will get 12.011 AMU RU. So this 12.011 AMU is the average atomic mass of carbon. In this way, you can calculate that average atomic mass of any element which exists in the form of isotopes. Now, come to molecular mass. Molecular mass. As you know, atom has atomic mass, molecule has molecular mass. The molecular mass of a molecule is the total of or sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in that molecule. For example, if you have to obtain the molecular mass of methane, so how will you find the molecular mass of methane will be equal to atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So C, that is 12.011 plus 4 into 1.008. When you will solve this, you will get 16.043 AMU or U. So this is the molecular mass of methane. Now come to formula mass. What is formula mass? Formula mass. Actually, the term formula mass is used for the compounds containing positive and negative ions. This is almost similar to that of molecular mass, but when the term formula mass is used, it means this is an ionic compound. For example, NaCl. This formula mass is used to the ionic compounds because they cannot exist in discrete particles, in three separate molecules, because in the crystal lattice of NaCl, each Na plus is surrounded by 6 Cl minus, and each Cl minus is surrounded by 6 Na plus. So one NaCl cannot exist as discrete particle. For such compounds, the term formula mass is used. So what will be the formula mass? Formula mass: sodium 23 plus chlorine 35.5. This is equal to 58.5. So this is the formula mass of NaCl. This is similar to molecular mass, but term formula mass is used for ionic compound.